Welcome back to Project Malvern. We have plasterboard on the walls, which is just so exciting. So much progress has happened in the last couple of weeks, so I can't wait to show you through. We are now on the first floor. We haven't showed you much of this space yet, so I want to talk you through each of the areas. We have an incredible round skylight above the staircase. And as you walk into the master bedroom upstairs, a new wall has been constructed as our bedhead. Behind, we have a walk-in wardrobe that leads to our ensuite. Look through. We've got joinery on both sides of this wall, leading into the most incredible light-filled ensuite, an amazing square skylight, and an awesome curved wall, very interesting shaped curved wall with our bath sitting along here on an angle. And that is to utilize as much bench space as we possibly can for this double vanity unit. Through here we have a really private double shower with niche storage on both sides, and there will be a wall, narrow reader glass wall here for privacy. We've got the second bedroom through this space with wardrobe storage, a main bathroom for the family. This is an incredible hidden, you can see our recessed track that we have here, incredible hidden barn door that spans across this wall, so you could open this space up as a landing or close it off for a fourth bedroom or study. And then this is the other bedroom upstairs as well. So that means there's 3 bedrooms upstairs, a study and a main bathroom, plus walk-in wardrobe and ensuite. We have an incredible staircase that's going to be built, which is going to be curved and lead you from the front entrance foyer straight to upstairs. It is so incredible, almost like a sculpture piece. So that is what's going to happen next, as well as joinery install up here. Can't wait to show you the progress and what happens next.